Okay, so we are starting our panoramic tour. So we left the colonial side, the colonial area. So beautiful one. I hope you have enjoyed the visit, the walking tour down there. But now is the part we're gonna visit by bus. Okay. So time for watching some of the places that maybe some of you can visit during your free time. So this side you see many people lining up because we have the Spanish embassy in the corner, the beautiful building with the two flags waving, the Spanish one and the European Union too. So they're waiting for getting a visa to go to Spain. So the presidential palace, so the place where 22 Cuban presidents, following all the time the commands of the United States, ruled the country